Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. Going to show you some new inventory tonight. And it's all Ford, so if you like Ford trucks, that'll be right up your alley. Starting off with this 1951 F-1 here. This was a big old farm truck that's been well used over the years, but really not a terrible old truck. When you take a look inside of this thing, you look around the sides, and it's got a little rust in the fenders, but cab corners look good, running boards look good, doors look pretty decent. Take a peek inside, it's all still there. Dash is still there, seat's still there. It has not been all that long since this truck was on the road. When you come around the front, as usual with most of these, it does have a little bit of rust in the front fenders. Had some big old massive chunks of pipe welded to the front bumper for protection, but really protected the grill. Grill's extremely straight on it, so maybe these help save some of that front end over the years. It's got the chrome front hood badge on it. Take a look at this side of it, kind of the same thing, a little bit of rust in the front fenders, but overall not too bad a truck. Just a big old F5, big dually rear with a flatbed on it. And like I said, this truck I think was on the road fairly recently, and we'll see on the front end it does have a V8 badge on it, but it's got a surprise under the hood. Somebody swapped this out with a small block Chevy. But it's been converted. It's got an alternator. They put the little small block in it. But overall, it looks to be a pretty decent old truck and probably could even be put back on the road because, like I said, hasn't been all that long since this truck was running and driving. And probably wouldn't take much to get it back to that status. So let's head this way. We got one other cool Ford piece we're going to show you tonight that came in a couple weeks ago. If you've been on my Sunday night live chat, you heard me talk about it. And it's just part of a pickup. It's actually a pickup bed that somebody made into a trailer, but it's got a really unique feature about it. If you're wanting to build a rat rod Ford pickup, this is the bed for you. It is a super cool piece, and it is really neat. So we're going to keep walking this way, check out the cool stuff as we're going by. One of the old 73 to 79 Ford pickups right there. 59 Ford F-250 custom cab, big back window right there. Little Ford Econoline van. 60 Chevy short bed pickup right there, or the remains of one. Going through some more of our Ford section right here. There's a 67 Cougar, some little Ford Falcons, including a couple of station wagons. 65 Fairlane Sports Coupe, two-door hardtop. A couple of Mustangs, a 70 Grande, a 68 Coupe. Going past some more of our Mopars, starting to shoot some more of these Mopar videos. 49 Plymouth three-window coupe, 70 Plymouth Duster, 70 Dodge Challenger, 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. We'll head this way and show you this little pickup bed. It's a really neat piece. Like I said, if you're building the rat rod, this is an awesome bed. If you're building a rat rod and you like gas and oil, this is the best bed you could probably ever find. It's got a really unique feature. It's kind of a shame that this happened. Back in the day, though, that's what they did. What we've got here is a bed for a 48 to 52 era Ford pickup. I don't remember which one this is. There's some slight differences between 48 and 52, but they're pretty minor. But this is definitely that style. It is a short bed off of an F1. Bed looks really good. It's got a tiny bit of rust in it, but overall this bed is really solid. The fenders have some dings and dents in them because this bed was used over the years. We come around, kind of look at the other side, and it's basically about the same thing. You know, not hardly any rust, just typical dings and dents, but all that could be beat back out. If you were doing a restoration, you've got a good original Ford sheet metal here to work with. That could all be straightened and worked. Or if you're building a rat rod, it's a great looking bed with perfect patina. Now, what's the secret this bed's holding? Well, if you're a gas and oil guy, you might be about ready to cry. But we've got to remember, back in the day, this is what happened. In today's world, we would never, ever in a million years think about destroying a porcelain sign. But back in the day, they were scrap metal. And as we come around the back of this bed, we'll take a look at the bed floor in this truck. Yep, those were original Mobil gas porcelain signs that were chopped up, hacked up, and turned into a bed floor for this pickup. So, even still has the original Ford script tailgate on it. So it is all original. The bed is. So, really a shame that that's what happened. But hey, back in the day, that's what they did. those were scrap metal. They weren't good for anything. They took them down, they were junk, patch the pickup bed floor with it. So, like I said, if you're building a rat rod, especially if you're a mobile guy and you want to build a rat rod Ford pickup, this would be the ultimate bed. Nobody would ever do that with a sign today. But back in the day, it's kind of cool to see some of this stuff because that's how they did it. Yeah, it'd have been great if they were complete signs. It would have been awesome. But they're not. They were destroyed years ago. At least this much is still here. And if you're building a rat rod patina truck, I can't think of a much cooler one to do, especially if you want to do one with a mobile service station motif. So anyway, that's what we've got for you guys tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like checking the stuff out. Like I said, brand new inventory. This stuff just come in over the last couple weeks. Excited to bring it to you. Was really excited about this pickup box. Like I said, kind of makes you want to cry, but man, if you want to build a mobile themed patina truck, it wouldn't get much better than that. So anyway, thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys watching tonight. If you have any questions about vehicles or parts, just give me a call, 620-786-4428. That number's on the pages. That phone call is what we have to do so I know what vehicle you're building, what model it is, what direction you're going with your build, so that we can see if I've got anything here that may be able to help you out. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your other gearhead friends. Invite them to come hang out with us. Like the page, check out what we've got going on. And if you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all the other cool old car, truck, and memorabilia related videos that I've got on there. Having a lot of fun doing these, but it wouldn't be much fun without you guys stopping by and hanging out with me and taking some time out of your day to hang out and have a good time. So hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, lots more cool stuff coming. Hope to see you soon on the next video, and thanks for watching, everybody.